People who study the world and gain expert knowledge are called scientists. To understand things, scientists ask themselves the following questions. 1. What is it? 2. What is happening? 3. How does it happen? 4. Why does it happen? Scientists try to explain natural events and find solutions to problems. To do this, they practice scientific attitudes. Scientific attitudes are ways of doing things that let scientists make careful observations and experiments. You can also have these scientific attitudes when you practice the following. 1. Be fair and honest. Be honest in reporting the results of your activities. Appreciate also the work done by others. 2. Be curious. Try to learn more about the things around you. Ask questions. 3. Be objective. Being objective means giving your observations based on facts and not on your feelings. 4. Be organized. Carefully plan your activities or experiments. Then arrange all your observations in an orderly manner. This will help you avoid mistakes. 5. Be observant. Pay attention to every detail. This will help you see patterns and spot similarities and differences. When you are observant, you learn many things about your surroundings. How do scientists work? They look around and study the world carefully. Through different activities, they develop science process skills. Science process skills let scientists observe and gather information about the environment. You can also become a scientist by developing these skills. Here is how. 1. Observe keenly. Observing is using your senses of sight, touch, hearing, smell, and taste to collect information about your surroundings. For example, you observe that some plants in your school garden have flowers, while others do not. 2. Make inferences. Inferring is making a conclusion from your observations. For example, you see that some plants in your school garden have no flowers. You then infer that the plants may lack nutrients or do not produce flowers at all. 3. Make predictions. Predicting is telling what will happen in the future based on your observations. For example, you notice that your school garden is full of flowers. You then predict that the flowers will attract butterflies to the garden. 4. Classify. Classifying is grouping objects according to their characteristics. That is, according to their size, weight, color, texture, shape, taste, use, or other properties. For example, when you sort waste, you classify plastic materials and cans as recyclable and food wastes as non-recyclable. 5. Measure accurately. Measuring is the process of getting the size, height, length, and other measurable properties of objects around you. It helps you compare things. For example, when your height is measured, your parents use a meter stick or a height measurement chart. Your height and other lengths and distances are described using units such as the millimeter, mm, centimeter, cm, and meter, m. Other measuring tools that are used in science experiments or activities are rulers, tape measures, and weighing scales. Other things, like strings, cups, matchsticks, pebbles, and coins, can also be used to measure objects.